Hello friends, today we are going to learn last type of adverb, that is interrogative adverb. Do you know what is mean by interrogation? Interrogation means to ask the question, right? Interrogative sentence means the sentence which asks the question. Here, therefore, these adverbs are used for asking the questions. These adverbs are placed at the beginning of the sentence. These adverbs are placed at the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Some interrogative adverbs are here. How, when, where, and why. These are the interrogative adverbs. How are you feeling today? Here, how is the interrogative adverb. When is the party? So here, where are you from? What is mean by this? How are you feeling today means this is a question. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling good or not? Okay. When is the party? When means कब party है. Where are you from? Means तुम कहाँ से हो? How means कब. How means कैसे. When means कब. Where means कहाँ. Why means क्यों. Okay. How means कैसे. When means कब. Where means कहाँ. Why means कब. Why are you tired? आप टायर्ड क्यों हो इतना. राइट ऐसे. These sentences means which is including the interrogative adverb ends with the question mark. Okay, I have given a question mark everywhere. Have you seen it? Good. So now let's do the revision of the adverb kind of the adverbs. First one, adverb of manner. It tells us the way or a manner in which something happens. What is meant by adverb of manner? Adverb of manner tells us the manner in which this thing happens. It answers the question how. Example, slowly, fast, cheerfully, badly, clearly, loudly. It ends with the ly. Ends with ly. Okay. Second one is adverb of place. Adverb of place, it shows the place where the action is happened. It shows the place where the action is happened. The mall is nearby. We looked for the boy everywhere. Everywhere is also the adverb of place. Okay. Adverb of place are generally placed after the verb. Okay. Adverb of time. Adverb of time, it shows the time when the action is happened. Okay. He came yesterday. We often talk to ourselves. The movie is starting now. Here now. When is the movie starting? Okay. Then adverb of frequency. She does a yoga twice a week. So what is the adverb of frequency? It shows how often the action is done. Okay. It shows how often the action is done. It answers the question how many times. Example of it is always, usually, never, once, sometimes. Okay. What is the adverb of degree then? Adverb of degree shows how much in or in what extent the action is done. For example, extremely, quite, just, almost, very, too. I have given an example here. He was just living. This is the example of degree. And last one is interrogative adverb. What is meant by interrogative adverb? Today only I have tell you that how are you feeling today? Here, how is the interrogative adverb? It asks the question. It is placed at the beginning of the sentence. Okay. एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड डिग्री में थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है, तो मैं वो क्लियर कर दिया है कि यहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंसी में मतलब कितनी बार चीज़ें हुई हैं, और एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री मीन्स कि कितना हुआ है. ओके. जैसे कम, ज़्यादा, बहुत, ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश हुआ है, ऐसे. ठीक है. गॉट इट गाइस? In what extent the thing is happen. Okay, thank you.